Igama lami ngumuzikayise Mashele Mbungela and I'm a content creator ledzabuka kaBhokweni eMpumalanga. Ngibe nenhlanhla impela ukuthi bangamukele emakhaya abo abantu labadzala. Sichithe cishe lilanga lonke nabo. Sixoxisana ngetemasiko, tinkolelo nemihambo yakadzala.
Abantu labasha yetindzaba temalobolo ngathi setiyashabalala nje.
Ubike abomalume bakho bomjida ukuthi baye kubo
phandla nenyoni iringi yesintu le
kuyakhulunywa kudala
uthuma abantu ekhaya khawona madala
so ufuna ukukwenza mfato wakho ukuthi uhlale naye khona lapha ekhaya lakhe uhlale noyithune into emndeni
Bamkhulise kahle wabangilunga.
No matter how much money you pay, they may ask you for 2 million, just making an example. It's not something you can.
They decide you're not of this world. You're summoned to a higher post.
Ugqoka ijacket lituvala amashoulder abantu botana kangimi improve into leto.
Asiqale phasi kahle.
I'm holding on to your visa. The only way you pearly gate. Did you wait for the bell to toll?
Hey.
Any misdemeanors with your dad with your Jesus. Let's go deeper. Were you more you were my neighbor? Or did you
yayijulile ke le
Queen of Sheba? How will they remember you? Could have been better to the children. Hell of a life, hella lit. We put you out, now you disearned.